Okay, so moving on to precious and the dollar. The dollar index has actually reversed. We've had some weak inflation numbers, CPI and PPI today. As I said in the emergency update yesterday, gold posted a positive pattern on Tuesday. Silver has moved lower and it's been pretty poor today, really, and once again has attacked support. And August gold is now $6 above spot. Begin with the dollar index, see how we've reversed after that positive signal on Monday, but the key level remains 100.01. It's going to take a daily close below there to put us back in sideways. Note that on the CPI numbers, 132 held pretty much perfectly. On the short-term chart, we failed at 180 ahead of the PPI numbers. Still have a support below at 131.5. Of course, that was at 32 on Monday. Moving on to gold in world currency terms, bit of a reversal today, but it hasn't taken out the recent lows as yet. And when we look at COMEX, a similar story. So we had that positive signal. I've condensed it into one arrow to make it a little bit easier. But now it's going to take a daily close above 4165.8 to confirm that positive signal and open up the upside. So that's quite a big change. It remains the case that we have support at 40.32.5. And if we don't trade below the recent lows for the rest of this week, we are going to form a major weekly support, that black line. So big developments potentially happening for next week. On the short-term chart, we also have changes in that the near or the highest resistance level has dropped significantly and is now at 41.12.50. Also have 40.81.7, which is effectively where it topped out today. And then we have 39.92.9 and 39.55.4. No change on the profile. Point of most times still a long way away. At the moment, though, the distribution from the lows from the 30th of June is at the moment a little bit top heavy. So it's going to have to get its mojo together pretty soon. On silver, pretty poor today, really, compared to gold. But we've still got that really big support point at 56.13. So stops on longs or a daily close below that point if you are strategic. It's going to have to make a daily close above 62.18.5 to open up the upside and confirm the positivity, because then we have nothing until a minor level till 72.12. On the short-term chart, once again, we've attacked a support zone, but we still have that 56.13 point as the key level. So in conclusion, dollar index trend is still up, and place your stop on a daily close below 100.01. Gold trend is sideways with a positive bias. We had the first sign of decorrelating, which I talked about yesterday, from oil, albeit very, very briefly. One day does not make a trend. Longs place stop on a daily close below 39.55.4 and a daily close above 41.65.8, and note the change. Targets at 44.03.6. Support, silver trend is up and support is still strong. It's just about hanging in there. Place your stop on a daily close below 56.13 if strategic. If you're very risk averse, place it below 57.06.5. A daily close above 62.18.5 leaves space to rally. And here are your supports and resistances. So next update of the weekend, unless we have another crazy day tomorrow. Okay, thank you.